Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am going to share a combo of body scrub and body butter from one of my most favorite brand, Pilgrim. So earlier also I have shared their skincare range, so I will put the link on my description box. If you want to check, you can definitely check it out. And today I am going to share their body care range and I am going to share the review of this combo. It is their Secret of Jeju Island body scrub and body butter combo, which I am using from last few days and I got very good result after using it. And personally I really love this brand a lot because I have already used their skincare range and I absolutely love them and I am still using those. So after that I purchased their body care products and I got really good results. So I'm going to review this, and before that I just wanted to let you know that I will put their official website link on my description box as well as their purchasing link on my description box. Just check out their website to get some exciting offers. Definitely you will get some coupon codes and offers. Right now there are so many offers going on, so just check it out, their official website. So now let's start today's video. So guys, as you know, it's already summer and it's so much of hot, so that's why we are sweating a lot and having some bad odor problems. So if you are someone who are searching something which the fragrance will stay on your body for a longer time, if you are searching something like that, then you can use this combo to get rid of that problem. Before going to the review, just wanted to let you know that Pilgrim is an Indian brand and it is absolutely free from silicone and paraben, and also it is cruelty free, 100% vegan, and does not contain any kind of toxic, and FDA approved. So this is how the packaging looks like. So it is their volcanic lava ash body scrubs which contains white lotus, coconut oil. You can see the ingredient list, and here all the things, all the directions are mentioned that how you need to use. So I will show you the demo, but before that just let me know you the price and all. So this one is retail for 650 rupees and you will get 36 months of shelf life. So this is how the packaging in a packaging looks like. I really love the packaging and I also love that how much quantity they are providing. So here you are getting 200 gram of product just for rupees 650. So I think it's a great thing, great amount you are getting. And here you will get this, you can see it's a kind of booklet, and also you are getting a spatula to apply the product on your body. So now let me show you the consistency of this product. So this is how the product looks like. I have already used it so many times and I absolutely love the texture of this product. So basically this is a kind of body scrub which will makes your skin super soft. It does not feel any kind of harsh on your skin when you are applying it on your skin. It will feels very smooth, very soft, and after getting applied and after washing your body will feel super soft. And the fragrance which it have is very pleasant. It does not have any kind of overpowering fragrance, and I just love the fragrance of this product. So basically you need to apply it on your wet skin and you have to massage it for a few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, and just keep it like for 1 minute, and after that just rinse it off with normal water. You can apply it twice a week, and on your damp skin just apply their body butter. That's it. So now just let me show you the application, that how it looks like when you apply it on your skin. So I am going to show you this one on my right hand. So guys, you can see this is how it looks like. It will deeply clean your body as it contains volcanic ash. So definitely it will deep clean your body surface, and you can see how it looks after applying it on your body. So after keeping it for 1.5 minutes, I will just rinse it off with normal water. So this is how it looks like. You can see if you compare it with my left hand is feeling much more drier than my right hand, and it feels so soft and so clean after using it. So you can definitely get the difference. So now after applying it, I will apply their body butter. So coming out their body butter review, this one is contained shea butter and cocoa butter, and also this one is also contained white lotus, except that it has some really good ingredients like coconut oil, sesame oil, almond oil, then olive oil. So I absolutely love the fragrance of this product, and this one is something I never used because I have used so many body butter in the past, but no one I think stay on my body for a longer time. If you are having dry skin, or if you are having cracked elbow or very dry knee, then definitely it will help you to getting rid of those kind of problem. It will stay on your skin for a longer time, and definitely does not feel greasy, but it will nourish and moisturize your skin for a longer time. So let me show you the inner packaging of this product as well. So this is how it looks like. So each product is contained 200 gram of product and retail for rupees 650, and I think the packaging of both of this product is also looking similar. So here also you will get one spatula to apply it. So this is how it looks like. I would recommend you to apply body butter on your damp skin after your shower routine, and you can apply body butter on your daily basis. So this is how it looks like. It is just full of tub, you can see it, and it's just so good, guys. The smell is very subtle and very very smooth, very soothing, and very very subtle. Actually, I just love the smell. You can see it, and it really helps to overcome my dry skin. Let me apply it on my damp skin. So you can see this amount is enough for one hand. So good. So you can see, guys, how much it gives me a glow after applying it. It really looks good. It not only helps me to overcome my dry skin, also it looks really good. My skin is glowing instantly after using it. So you can see this. So you can get the difference. So I absolutely love both of this product, and these products are suitable for all skin types. Anyone can use, men and women, anyone can use this product. So finally, I want to tell you that if you purchase this combo, then you will get some discount from their official website. There is some offers going on, so just check it out. And if you have any query about this product, you can let me know on my comment section. So that's all about my today's video. I hope you loved the video, and if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you are new to my channel. See you on my next video. Till then, take care, lots of love, and bye bye.